Some of the most expensive, often replaced components of any vehicle are its tires and wheels. Tires usually fail as a result of road hazards, potholes, nails, glass, and other foreign objects. How much could a blowout from hitting a pothole cost you? You may have tire replacement costs, wheel replacement costs, mounting and balancing, tow truck charges, and sales tax. For your vehicle, these costs may be anywhere from $350 to $650 per tire.
Our tire and wheel guarantee protects you from all of these hazard-related costs. Unlike most road hazard guarantees, our tire and wheel solution is not prorated and delivers 100% reimbursement for your vehicle's mounting and balancing, tires, wheels, valve stems, and sales tax. Plus, our program offers you a towing benefit.